In this video, we're going to look at solving a linear inequality application problem. So we're going to take inequalities and apply them to a real life situation. And I know that these problems are simple and you could probably solve them without using the algebraic process that I'm going to do, a little bit of guess and check. But the idea is we want to understand how they could apply in a real life setting in a very simplistic model. So let's look at this problem. Susie will offer her rates of service for painting a house using one of two following plans. So she might go look at the house and say, oh, I want to use this plan, or I think it's going to take this many hours, I'll use this plan. So plan A is $200 flat fee plus $12 an hour, whereas plan B, she just says $20 per hour. So supposing the job takes X quantity of hours, for what values of X, for how many hours, X is hours, will plan A be better for Susie? So we want to know when plan A will be better. And for Susie, something is better if she makes more money. So we want to know when plan A will earn more money than plan B. Well, let's think about writing an equation to set up each of these situations. For plan A, writing that as a linear equation, we would say $12 per each X hours, so times hours, plus a $200 flat fee. Whereas with plan B, that would be $20, 20 times X, and there's no flat rate. Again, we want to know where plan A is better. So to me, that is, we want to know where A is greater than B. So I'll say 12x plus 200, and that would be greater than 20x. So now we just need to solve this inequality for x. Remember, x represents hours. So I will subtract 12x from both sides. That leaves me with 200 is greater than 8x. And then I will divide by 8 on both sides. And 200 divided by 8 gives me that 25 is greater than x, or reading that with x, the variable first, we'll flip that. That means x needs to be less than 25. And that means to us, interpreting that, is that plan A gives us more money. So plan A is the better option for Susie for jobs that are less than 25 hours. So when time is predicted to be less than 25 hours, she would make more money offering plan A. So that's it for this problem. It's pretty basic. It's just the idea that if we had a more complex situation, we could apply these inequalities to real life. But the basic solving, the algebra behind it is pretty simple. As always, email me if you have any comments or questions.